Hey everybody. Well, I got the trailer finished finally. Doing a few things to it. Take it out here and park it. And what do we get? 6 inches of snow comes down, but it's melting off now, so hopefully we'll be doing good with weather. But anyway, we got put a new tongue on the thing, 6,000 pound tongue. Took off the old one that was there. Had a box, I also extended the tongue out about 18 inches. Give more clearance to jackknife the trailer if you need to. Had a box, just aluminum box that I put on the front. Decided to forego the side rails for now because of the width. It wouldn't fit a pickup truck on here if I put the side rails all the way up, because the tires would be just over the edge. I built ramps. Got a set of ramps for the back. Works good. Of course, I got red fir decking all the way across. I got some fenders. Got a semi diamond plate fender. They're on there pretty good. You ain't gonna walk on them too much, but they're mounted well. And I got the drop on the back, and then the ramps will hook right onto the edges. You can put them whatever width you need to. What else? Basically, the deck is 14 foot. The drop's another 1.5 feet. So you can get a pickup truck on here. But of course, cars and that type of thing will work just fine. I didn't put a swivel in the middle. Let me get my glove off here. There we go. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. I just hooked up the trailer springs, just individual rockers. I didn't put if we can get that one there. I didn't put the swivel like this trailer here. This is a trailer I built about 20 years ago and still running strong. But anyway, did that just so it doesn't rock back and forth as much. We'll see how it turns out. If not, I can always put the center rocker in there. But I can still put these side rails in here. I left the front one, and then I put in when I mounted the fenders, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a 2x2 square welded to the side of the frame in 3 spots to hold the fender, and then I could slip a 1.5 inch square into that and still put a side rail all the way back, and I can run it clear back to the back of the fender with no problems if I need to. But other than that, the trailer's done. She's ready to rock and roll. Took her out for a test run, and she tracked well, and that was good. So now it'll be time to get the Camaro back in the shop. So I'll be back at you. We get some work done on the Camaro. Remember, everybody, don't ever run out of projects. Take care, everybody.